In the heart of Detroit, amidst loss and temptation, a young soul's quest for redemption in the unlikeliest of places. This is the story of grace and connections, presented to you by Konnect Church, Fused Teens Ministry. Hope you enjoy.
Nah, that's by the high school. Security, man. It's security. You will get caught. Look, just move it to Fry Road. Hey, man, let me call you back. I just seen Kofi. Hey, what's good with you, Kofi? Where you been, man? I had to make all this bread by myself.
My bad. I've been busy with my dad, you know? Got stuff to do.
Yeah, I heard your mom's passed, man.
Yeah.
Sorry for your loss.
Yeah. It's pretty hard.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, Tay?
What up, Cole?
What up, Tay?
What's y'all doing at school?
Nothing. Got a couple errands to run tonight, but...
That's cool, that's cool. What you doing, Cole?
I think I'm gonna go study. My grades been slacking lately.
Y'all be good. Don't forget what you got going on, all right?
Yeah, we got to lock in for real.
Yeah, I got y'all.
Hey, boo.
Hey, Shawty, how you doing?
I missed you so much.
Miss you too.
I want a link later. You want a link?
I got a couple errands to run tonight, but I'll text you and see if anything else come up.
Oh, that's all right. But hey, Kofi. How are you
What's up?
doing?
I've been good. Hey, Lance.
How we doing, bro?
What's up, Nia?
Hey, feels like I haven't seen you in forever. You know I'm always in the library.
Yeah, I've been busy.
Well, that's good you're staying busy. Don't let grief get to you. Remember, Jesus still loves you in this time. I know it's hard. Your mom was always really nice to me.
Oh, yeah, I got other stuff to do, though. I'll talk to you later.
But wait, I wanted to invite you to my church. I know your dad and my pastor are really good friends. I just haven't seen you in a long time.
Yeah, I don't know about all that. I got other stuff to do.
Okay, just remember what I said, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Hey, son.
Hey, Pop.
I made some sandwiches for dinner.
Hi, Pop.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. Just got a lot going.
Listen, I've been noticing that you've been a little bit distant lately. And I've been praying for you. You know, your mom's death has been hard on all of it.
May I be excused?
Yeah. Lord Jesus, I want to thank you for my sons. Right now, they're hurting. So I ask for healing for them. And only you can heal their hurt. May you touch Kofi right now. Let him not lose himself. Only you can do it, Lord. Amen.
Before you, I stand.
Hey, yo, Kofi. I told you you owe me, dog.
Wait, are you serious? I gave you extra last week.
Nah, I ain't playing this time.
Unworthy is my state, but your love says to me, I'll be bold and come, Father. Here I am. Yeah, honey, I guess you know.
Yo, what up? You got it?
Yeah, just remember, you're a witness.
In Zerma, Kamarda, Yarani ya Yesu na. Yarani maaikenka.
Hey, good. I'm glad you came.
Yeah, decided to give God a chance.
Cause you call me by name. You came along and got rid of the shame. Broke every chain and it set me free. I'm not the person I used to be. Followed your voice, then everything changed. Cause you are the only way. Yo boy, hey, no matter what I did before, you never let go of me. You never left when I closed the door. Hey, but you love me anyway. Hey, you love me anyway. You love me anyway. Let's go, Trey.